Welcome to our brand new course or solution on modeling a 3D building and producing working drawings in 14 days using BIM or Revit. In this presentation, we'll be discussing what this solution entails, some common myths or misconceptions, the benefits of using Revit for building design and documentation, the expert team behind our course, and how our course or solution could be a game changer for those looking to learn Revit and improve their skills. Myth number 1. Revit is not difficult to learn. It actually boils down to the one teaching it and how you are taught. Look, in this program, we have compressed decades of experience into practical processes, so you don't have to go through those hassle to master it. Myth number 2. Revit is only for large firms. This is not true, because actually, BIM or Revit is the creation of the real building in a virtual form. So it doesn't really matter whether it's a small project or a large project. The benefit cuts across. So myth number 3, Revit is only for architects. This is not true, because it comprises of tools for architecture, structural design, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing system designs. So it can be used by all professionals in these stated disciplines. Okay, and because of this misconception, a lot of the time the architects will produce their work in Revit and then send these works to the other professionals in CAD. So it is not true that it's only for architects. Myth number 4. Revit is only for new projects. There are tools for remodeling existing projects, such as phasing. So in phasing, you can phase out your project to either an existing new project or remodel project. Myth number 5. Revit cannot be used completely for documentation works. You still need CAD software. This is not true, because you see, in Revit, you form the model and the documentation is prepared for you automatically for extracts. So items like sections, elevations, views, foundation plan, roof plan, and all those stuff come as a result automatically of the model work. Okay, so you can use it for the totality of the work, and you don't need CAD in any way to complete your project in Revit. Myth number 6. Revit is only for creating 3D modeling and cannot be used for 2D drawings completely, as I touched on earlier. Because of this misconception, a lot of people, or some people, learned Revit the hard way with the mindset of only getting the 3D model. So what they do is that after getting the model, they export everything to CAD and then continue the journey of the difficult CAD process, okay, just to complete their work. As I stated, in Revit, when the model is done, the documentations are automatic, and so you can use it completely for these two works. So it's a myth. Don't believe in that. Myth number 7. Revit is not user-friendly. It is also not true. Revit is user-friendly. It is easy to use. And you see, one beautiful thing about Revit is this. It has bi-directional associativity. What this means is that what you do anywhere on your project updates automatically everywhere. So it is easy to use. When you make changes on the plan, that change is effected in all the areas. Okay, so you don't have to struggle, you don't have to go through those difficult times trying to fix errors, because the system is designed to fix all these things for you. The interface is easy to use, and it all boils down to who is teaching. How do you know if you need to learn or master Revit? Here are 7 signs that shows it might be time to learn the software. 1. When you are still creating drawings manually or using outdated CAD software and are afraid of migrating to BIM, it's a clear sign that you need to move or migrate to Revit. Sign number 2. When you are struggling to keep up with the demands of your project. This is a clear sign that you need to move to Revit. Sign number 3. If you're having difficulty collaborating with team members or stakeholders, it's a clear sign you need this course. Number 4. When you are making a lot of mistakes or errors in your designs, and effecting those changes or errors in your design takes a longer time and actually causes you to delay your work, it's a clear sign you need to take this course. Sign number 5. When you're not meeting deadlines or budget, and you're not meeting the expectation of your clients or superiors, this is also a clear sign you need to take this course. Sign number 6. When you are not up to date with latest industry standard or technologies, it's a clear sign you need this course. Look, in some situations, or in most situations, you see the architect uses Revit, but because the architect knows that the other professionals in the other disciplines do not use Revit, they send the whole drawings to them or the whole package to them in CAD. When you see this sign, it's a clear sign you are out of taste or you are out of date with industry technology and you need this course. Sign number 7. If you can't complete your project in Revit and still depend on CAD to complete portions of your work, it's a clear sign you need this book. Let's take a look at some of the benefits of enrolling in our brand new course. Benefit number 1. Because Revit allows you to create a 3D model of your building design, which can help you visualize and communicate your ideas more effectively, it becomes a great benefit to you. Benefit number 2. Revit has a powerful tool for creating complete working drawings, including floor plans, sections, elevations, and can save you lots of time and effort compared with the traditional methods of using the drawing board or CAD. Number 3. In this course, there are great tools for collaboration, so you can share your design with team members and stakeholders and make changes in real time, which can help improve communication and reduce the risk of errors. Benefit number 4. Revit is highly customizable, so you can create a project standard for yourself and your office. Number 5. Revit has a vast library of building materials and components, which can help you create more accurate and detailed designs. Number 6. Revit is cost effective, as it can save you significant amount of time and resources compared with the traditional methods. Benefit number 7. Revit is constantly being updated with new features and capabilities, so you can stay up to date with the latest industry standard, which is literally what you need. Our team was created by a team of industry experts with decades of experience using Revit in a variety of projects. CAP Solutions has a design department that provides consultancy services for individuals and organizations. Our research team is made up of architects, engineers, quantity surveyors, services engineers, and many others who are also certified by Autodesk, so you can trust that you are learning from the best in the industry. In addition to the 14 days challenge in this course content, you will also have access to the course materials for additional 90 days after the course is completed. This will give you plenty of time to review the material and practice what you've learned. To ensure that you have the support you need throughout the course, you have access to a community of like-minded professionals and instructors. You can ask questions, get feedbacks, and share your progress with others who are also learning Revit. We are confident that our course will be a game changer for you or anyone looking to learn Revit or improve their skills. By the end of the course, you will have the skills and the knowledge to model 3D buildings and produce a complete working drawing using Revit. Also, if you are ready to take your building design and documentation skills to the next level, we encourage you to enroll in our course today. Anyone who enrolls automatically enters the 14-day challenge, and you'll be coached, mentored, and directed throughout this period. And skills, tips, tricks will be imparted with ease from our industry experts or from our expert instructors. This course is value driven, and anyone who enrolls for this course can bet that his or her value will shoot up. I can't wait to have you. Get enrolled.